Today I will show you how to use product rule for derivatives. You will leave this video with a greater understanding of this technique. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get right into it. So, product rule when taking derivatives applies when we have two functions of x multiplied together. So, here I'm going to write this out. So when we're taking the derivative of some function of x times another function of x, just to note it as f of x and g of x, we get this sort of formula. We take the derivative of f of x, multiply it by g of x, leaving g of x alone, plus, now we leave f of x alone, and we multiply that by the derivative of g of x. And this is our formula. So the hardest part is identifying when to use this and what our f of x and what our g of x are. Alright, let's try an example. Let's start with this one, x squared times e to the x. So in this case, our f of x is going to be x squared, and our g of x is going to be e to the x. So notice we have two separate functions of x squared and e to the x. Alright, so using the same sort of form as before, we're going to do the derivative of f of x times g of x plus f of x, leaving it alone, times the derivative of g of x. So what is this going to look like? Well, the derivative of f of x is going to be 2x, and g of x is going to be e to the x, plus, now we leave f of x alone, we take the derivative of g of x, which is a little bit of a trick because the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x, so it doesn't look like we did anything. And this is our final answer. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below of what topic you'd like to see next. This is Dylan, signing off. I hope you have a good day. See you in the next one.